Hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel and now I'm just going to show you how we can create an IoT devices as we discussed in the last part. If you have not seen that, you can watch it. The link is already in the description box, so you can take the link from there and watch the previous part, which is related to IoT devices and IoT as we have discussed already. So now I'm going to show you how we can create an IoT hub and how we can collect the data or how we can receive the data from the IoT devices. So how it will proceed. So let's going to log into Azure portal and just click on create a resource. If you have not watched the previous videos and you are new to Azure, you may watch my entire series of Azure Beginners to Professional for step by step details of all entire Azure. Okay, so click on new and click type IoT and you can select the IoT hub. Once you click on IoT hub, it will display a hub information like it's can also see it here simultaneously support millions of connected device and real-time monitoring, etc. So just click on create. Okay, it will ask the information here. You can select your subscription resource group. I'm just going to create a new resource group here. Let me quickly create it. Uh, it's SPL IoT RG. You need to select your region where you're going to place and the device name. This is the name of your IoT hub. So let me just put it's test IoT hub, and that must be unique. So I need to add something. Let me quickly add it here. Okay, this is available. It will marked as a green one. Copy this and keep it with you also. Let me just quickly keep it aside. It will be available and displayed later on. No issue. Click on next. It must be accessible from the private endpoints or public endpoint. So right now I am opening it for entire network over a public. You can choose the option public endpoints if you have a selected IPs. If you are going to create a hub that must be accessible for all the over the internet, you must keep it as public endpoints. If you have a specific environment or data centers, you can also use the private endpoints. It would be up to you as per your business requirement. You can choose the business pricing tiers option. Here I am taken as S1. It would be basically the scalability or the requirement, how many messages you want in normal and standard S1 series. If I'm taking it as S1 hub as unit 1, so it could be take around device messages up to 400 k, or if I'm taking it as 2, then it could be up to 800 messages in a day. So these are the number of messages that sent by the various devices can handle. So here I'm just taking it as S1 and with the hub unit as 1. You can extend it. There's a small description on this if you want to see. Defender right now I'm just going to pause it or stop it. Defender for this, it will increase the cost, nothing else. So right now I don't want. You can see it's mentioned as the messages per day. It's approximate 400k or 400,000 messages. In the advanced setting, just you can keep the configuration of the scalability information. If I change the plan here, you can also see it's getting increased and the cost is also getting increased. So that would be totally depends on your usage. So just quickly go ahead next. I'm not going to tag it anything here. So click on review to get it created. Once you click on create, it takes a few minutes for the deployment and will get ready to use. Okay, so now this has been done. Let me have a show you quick link. Go to resource. So my IoT hub is created successfully. The next step I need to do, I have to configure a device provisioning service. So let me just quickly go back on my home page. I will show you what all options are available in this. This is my IoT hub, which I have just created. Now I'm just creating a device provisioning service. That is the second step that you have to provision it. Okay, IoT Hub device provisioning services. Once you click on this, you will get an option. It's basically used to register your devices. So let me just click on this and create a device provisioning service. So let me quickly spell IoT DPS, the name which I'm just going to put it here. Select the same resource group which we have already configured and select the location as we needed. So just click on create. So it take a couple of minutes once again in the deployment. So it would be get ready. Now once it's get ready, then we have to link our IoT hub and device provisioning services. So I'm just waiting. Okay. So now the deployment is completed. If I just click on go to resource and see, okay, this is my device provisioning service. So this has been done. Now we have to add this. So let me quickly go at my home page and in the source group, just double check. Okay, one thing is listed and second one is not listed. So let me quickly refresh it and see if it is there. Okay, so now my device provisioning service is placed. Once you click on device provisioning, please click on settings section linked to IoT Hub. So this is the option you have to select. Click on add and now it asks you to select the IoT hub that you want to link. So select the same and in the access policy, I am taking it IoT hub owner to make this just as a credential or the permission that need to provide it here so it can link with the specific IoT hub. So click on that and just click on save to get it done. It will still take a few minutes in the configuration. So let me quickly refresh it. Okay, so now you can see the device is established. So we have created an IoT hub, we have created an IoT hub device provisioning service and associated that device provisioning service to my IoT hub. Now our next step uh, is to create some sensors and associate the same. So I will be back in the next video with the sensor creation and how we can simulate the same in this environment in the next video. So let's continue in the next video. Keep watching this channel to subscribe it. The next video link is already in the description box, so you can take it the link from there and move to the next video. If you want to watch entire Azure Beginners to Professional series, the link is already in the entire playlist link is already in your description box here. You can take it from there. Thank you so much and keep watching this channel.